All right, guys, the company Pemedor has provided us this massive shop vac, wet dry vac, for purpose of this demonstration, testing, and review. All right, aside from obviously the 5-gallon vacuum, we've got our flexible hose here, which just compression fits for attachments. We've got a couple of long attachments. What's interesting is these intermediate long attachments are metal. That's kind of unique. Nothing else with it is, but the intermediates are metal. I guess they take the most abuse. We've got various fittings here for like wet pickup here, different angled pickups there, smaller pickups like for your car. Also have the instruction booklet, and we've got a couple of extra filters, this HEPA filter here, and what looks like a Fram air filter for a Honda Civic right there. Kind of interesting. It already comes with filters in it, so the filters are extras. We'll show you where those are located in a second. All right, let's go ahead and get this thing in action. Okay, so this clamps in 2 stages here. You've got the one stage where you can, of course, remove this part here. You can also wall mount this unit as well. And this is where your filter is located. We also have this little cleaning brush there, by the way. There's also your filter back here as well. So pretty easy to disassemble. I'm kind of tall, so I'm going to use 2 attachments here. Let's go ahead and let's try this attachment here, and let's just see how it cleans this carpeting here. All right, it's actually surprisingly quiet. Oh, that's not too bad. All right, pretty good there. I'm gonna try this attachment here. We're gonna put some nuts and bolts and get a couple coins here. Just kind of test the power of this thing. All right, that made really short work of that. Okay, I'm gonna recover my nuts and bolts out of there. All right. I don't believe there's any kind of a catch bag. It says that it doesn't use a catch bag. Just kind of dumps it right into the 5-gallon tank there. So I imagine if you're going to use this for a wet application, you're probably going to want to clean the tank first so you don't end up with a bunch of mud. But we're going to go ahead and try this in a wet application now. Okay, the instructions say that you can vacuum up to 5 gallons of liquid into the tank. You want to make sure that you're not sucking up anything that is flammable. So if you spill gasoline or kerosene or something, this would not be the tool to use for that. Here we go. Oh. All right, it sucked up a quart of water in like a second. And there it is. Right in there. That's pretty amazing. That just took a quart of water in like a second. Vicky was curious if this thing will suck up some rocks. So she's gonna go grab some rocks from the garden and we'll take a look and see what happens. Okay, these rocks, actually these may be bigger than no, they're just about the size of the nozzle. So let's see what happens. Vicky's a little nervous. Yep. Sucks them right in. All right, well, it made really easy work of those rocks that were just about the same diameter as the metal tubing here. So pretty impressive. Overall, this thing is a little bit on the heavy side, just to be aware. Most of that's because of the powerful motor. The casing itself and everything is lightweight plastic, but that probably weighs a good 15 pounds, I would say. So a little bit on the heavy side there if you're doing stairs or something, just something to keep in mind. but definitely very powerful, and it's actually really quiet for the power that it has. I like it. I think this is a great shop vac. Once again, thanks to the brand Pemedor for providing this for this video, and thank you all for watching. We'll put a link to this exact product in the video description.